Tom here, going to give a quick overview of the project timeline. So here you are. First, you're going to click in the cell over here, type in your own name. Maybe you've done this already. So mine will be Pizza for the Homeless. It's going to be my project here. And maybe you start at the end of your project. And you say pizza day for homeless, and you pick what day that's going to be, and maybe I'm going to have that happen out here on May 6th, and I guess after that maybe I'll have a write-up on project, and that might take me 2 weeks. So write essay. I'll put that here, and that might. So you might use color for that, or you might just use X's. And then say before that, I might have a practice pizza day. Oh, and before the practice pizza day, I'll have to buy ingredients. And I guess before I buy ingredients, before that I'll have to raise money. So I might start raising money. Oh wait, that was my expo day. So I need to insert a new row here. So here is going to be raise money. And if I don't want this to be colored, I can just copy and paste this whole section here. And I'll paste that as blank. So now I've just got, so I'm going to start raising money here. And I'm going to be raising money, gosh, the whole time I'm going to be raising money. And then I'm going to have to buy ingredients. I'm going to buy ingredients on this date, and my practice week will be this date, and I have to buy ingredients again. And you can see that you might have a whole series of activities that you need to add. Recruit friends to help. Maybe you start that. And then when you realize, oh, recruit friends to help, I might need to write poster for pizza day. And maybe in order to recruit my friends, I'll move this over. I need to have my poster done. So maybe I'll work on that this week. And this is buying ingredients for the next pizza day, and that might be over here. So I might end up moving this one around. Get the idea? And copy and paste that area. This also doesn't make sense, so copy and paste that. Some students like to use color, so you can highlight that area and color that in. That'll give you some ideas. Maybe if the recruiting, you figured it was you were gonna recruit friends for that period of time, you might color that in with a different color. And that's the idea. All right, hope that helped.